All right. Picked another terrible day to go flying. Google says the wind speed is only 12 miles per hour. They are lying through their teeth. That is at least 30. Oh, given it looks a little fast. A little more hard. A little harder when it's fast forward. But trust me, those gusts are crazy. Oh, look at my little leaf blower. Get out there. This is in like the opposite corner of the apartment complex I live. I never go over this place. It's always kind of creepy back here. But man, this pathway looks really neat. A few more people wandering around than I was hoping for, though. But man, I saw this path. It's like, okay, I got to go through here. It's unfortunate you can't see the piles of leaves it was blowing behind itself as it zipped through there. I'm separated the video out again into the stabilized and unstabilized footage because it is nauseating to watch this footage without stabilization. But Rocksteady is such a champ. I mean, look at the difference between the two. It is smoothing that thing right out because that wind was beating the tar out of my Avata. I gotta say, the Avata is handling like a champ today. I mean, looking at me flying around, it seems like I might have been a little bit out of control, but I tell you what, I felt locked in. It might have been bobbing around a little bit in the wind. Ooh, watch out for the woman. Watch out for the lady. Try not to piss my neighbors off. I'm going to get yelled at by the apartment complex manager. But even though the wind was hitting the Avata, making it bob around, I still felt like I was really in control of it. Like it was doing a great job of managing, even with all the shaking, to still stay pretty straight, despite these massive wind gusts. Kind of lucked out that there's no cars moving around at the moment. Good old roof surfing. It is real pretty out. Got a change of color in the leaves. Very fall. Chico, the city of trees. It's Chico, the city of broken branches and leaf piles everywhere. But it does look pretty around this time. Of course, fall is also when I tend to get most of my illnesses, so that's the reason my voice sounds like crap. Let's bring her back down. Man, it did such a great job of fighting that wind. Little peek at the end here. I can't go too far to either one of the corners because I am right there at that perpendicular angle, and if I go behind anything, all of a sudden that signal is going to be passing through a lot of buildings. All right, let's get back down to that little bicycle path. This time I turned it up to sports mode to get a little faster. Still can't see the leaves moving around. Ooh, that is a lovely sunset. So you can't see the leaves that get pushed aside by the Avata, but that thing is like a leaf blower. In fact, I think you can actually see the path I've slowly managed to clear on the ground by flying back and forth over there a couple of times. Nice and smooth. Well, smoothish. I was actually noticing the signal tend to drop by the time I got all the way over here. It's not really that far. The Avata is supposed to be able to transmit miles. But I got so many things between me. Whoa. That is a nice rush of speed. You really got to get to the ground if you want to feel it. Okay, I think I've pissed off enough people today. I do not want my apartment manager to chew me out for flying around here. So I'm going to bring her in, bring her down, count myself lucky I didn't meet a car coming around the corner. I think from now on, maybe I should try flying a little further away from home. That was fun. That was good. Even in this insane wind. All right, maybe more next time.